What is up, guys? Check it out. We got the hood up back here on the mini truck. The notification will be coming that Trap My Ride is live. But we put a new radiator in this thing last night, guys. There it is. There's the notification. We put a new radiator in here last night. Or this morning. We got it last night. That's what it is. We got it last night. I just put it in. I let it run a little bit, let it warm up. I'm gonna actually take it for a drive here in a minute. What's up, Andrew? Good to see you back, brother. So we have the old radiator here. You can see where it was cracked, and man, you wouldn't believe it. I'm telling you, there must have been a family of rats living in the bottom of this thing or something. But you know, that's 20 years of this radiator probably being in here, guys. But I'm gonna flip this around and I'm gonna show you the old radiator and let you check out the new one, and then I'm gonna take this thing for a spin, and we'll just keep you updated and see what we're doing. I think tomorrow I'm gonna put some new tires here on the front. I'm gonna order another one from the back and get a couple back ones on, and I think I'm gonna work on the brakes on this a little bit. So that's what we got going on with this, guys. I'm gonna park this. That thing is gonna come apart. The dashboard and everything's come apart. The stuff in the back, it's gonna get rewired, guys. It's not hitting like it needs to. I'm melting fuse holders. The plastic around the fuse is melting, and it stinks real bad. So I'm just gonna get rid of the fuses and just run the wire so that way I have power. It's just a lot of draw. Josh, there's your hat, man. You left your hat. But anyway, yeah, it's just drawing so much power, guys. It's just melting the fuse holders, so it's not gonna work for me. It's really not. And I think one of the speaker wires might have come loose inside the box, which is possible. It's not quite hitting the way it should, so we're gonna work on that, and we'll have those videos to come. Hopefully this weekend, guys, we'll get back up to night therapy. I'd like to go back up there and meet with all those people again. That was a great time. Maybe we'll have another meet here in Napanee again this weekend. Liggy Car Meets, I was checking out that page, and that's my hometown, man. That's where I grew up. That's where I'm from. And they have meets over at Kenny Park, so I'm gonna try and round up everybody in the area and go over there one weekend and hang out at Kenny Park and hit them up and check out them guys over there and see what they're doing and what they're up to. I think that'd be a lot of fun, and it'd just bring, you know, brings the community together like that. And we're all one community as a car community, so our local group, we all might as well just take turns going to each other's spots and hanging out, man, and just sharing the love. But anyway, guys, let's flip this around. I'll show you what I did. Flip. There we go. This actually comes out pretty easy, guys. There should be 3 bolts here in the front. This one's missing one. This pops off real simple. There's only a couple lines. There's this one down here and the one down there. I don't know if you can see that in the bottom. You have to take the air breather cleaner, whatever the hell, out. Let's see. Let's plug this back in, huh? Watch me break it on live. There we go. Clip. All right, so that didn't break. So that's got to come out, and then the radiator really just slides right out. You have a connection here. You have your transmission and oil cooler down there. And it really is that simple. And it literally just comes right out, guys. And the other one went right back in. Very, very simple. Here's the old radiator. And this is not really a good example of what was in the bottom, because it was about this deep and a bunch of it fell off. But there were some mud dauber nests, or whatever those bees are that live in mud. They had 2 nests on there, but my daughter, she couldn't control herself. She had to break them. But anyway, check this out, guys. This was kind of the root of the problem here. You see, this is all cracked here. It's all cracked down in here. Fugly. That's right. Flipping ugly. So that's where that was spewing out. So hopefully we don't have any more mess like that. And the new radiator, guys, it's real nice, real clean. Another shout out to O'Reilly's Auto Parts. You know, we're partners with them, and I get a good discount on stuff. And one of our subscribers made a very generous donation, and I thought that was real gracious. So between the 2 of them, I threw a little bit of my own cash in, and I figured, why not? We'll throw the radiator in here and give a shout out to the person who made our donation. You know who you are. Thank you very much. We appreciate it, which is awesome. We got Josh back here showing up in the Ford Pinto and his copyright. There's his hat. And his hat. And his hat. And the hat.
I actually need another driver.
But, alright, hang on, man. I'm doing live.
I know. I'm for tools.
But,
I know what type of guy you are. You're my go-to.
No, I don't let anybody borrow tools. I'm a jerk like that. I'm that guy.
Take a pat down.
But I forgot what the hell I was saying. Anyway, Josh interrupted me. Damn it. He's all right. You're all right, brother. You're cool, man. We love Josh. He's all right. I like how everybody show up. It's good. But oh yeah, I know what I was saying. He made a nice, generous donation, and I just want to give a shout out and thank him. He knows who he is. I'm not going to say his name or anything like that. We appreciate it very much, and it went to this. So this is what I did with your donation money. We put a new radiator in here. And O'Reilly's, you know, they give me a good discount. I threw in some of my own loot, and the three of us made it happen. So that's awesome, guys. We just call that networking. That sounds good. Sounds good. But anyway, guys, Josh is here. He's hanging out. See him back there. So we're hanging out. That's what we're up to, guys. We're getting ready to take this for a spin. I think I'm going to make him get in my truck and make him not spill anything. But
I don't have
anyway.
anything.
But anyway, I think we're gonna take a trip. I don't know, maybe just cross town and see if it blows up, burns up, or if it does good. Who knows? But I run it through all of its cycles, the AC and the heat and all that stuff. Make sure the heater core it's up to level, whatever. So it should be okay. Here's the nice thing, guys. If it does have air in here, we have an air ride system, so we can just tilt the one side up to where it needs to be, and then just bleed it, you know, dump all the other corners, and then put the one side up, and then just bleed the air, you know, because the air will come out, you know, lift the front so the air comes out of the engine and into the cooling system if there is any like that. And it should just come right out, guys, I would imagine, right? Makes sense. Air goes up. I don't know, you bleed the system. But anyway, I just figured that was kind of a clever idea. I don't know if it will actually truly work practically. It may not be enough, but I definitely try it, that's for sure. Something I was thinking. But anyway, guys, that's what it is. That's what we're doing tonight, and it is beautiful, beautiful out here. Josh, tell them, what do we say at the end of every video, man?
Trap my ride, baby.
Tell them keep on trapping.
Keep it clean.
You seen this guy? He don't know. Anyway, all right, we'll catch you guys in the next clip.
Gapping them boys. Get
Yeah.
Gap juice.
Gapple sauce.
Get Gap juice, the new Gap sauce. That's what it is.
Gapple sauce.
Gap sauce.
This guy. Hey, he's trying hard. We love him, man. That's why we love him.
Like y'all, I forget.
That's all right. I forget sometimes too. It's all good. All right, guys, keep on trapping. We'll see you in the next clip.